Google Scholar is a freely accessible web search engine that specifically indexes scholarly literature, including academic articles, theses, books, and court opinions from a variety of sources. It helps researchers, students, and anyone interested in academic information find relevant scholarly materials across different disciplines. Purpose: academic focus. Unlike the regular Google search engine, Google Scholar focuses on scholarly and academic content, making it a valuable tool for research and academic work. Diverse sources. It indexes content from academic publishers, professional societies, online repositories, universities, and other websites. Wide range of content. Users can find articles, theses, books, abstracts, and even legal opinions through Google Scholar. Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a Google Scholar profile step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account. This will help you access Google Scholar easily. Now, search for Google Scholar on Google and click the first link, or simply type scholar.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on Google Scholar, click on My Profile at the top of the page. Now, fill in your details. Full name as per your research papers. Affiliation, your university or institution. Email for verification, use your academic email. Areas of interest, example cardiology, AI, physics. Homepage, optional your university or personal website. Double check everything, then click Next. Now, Google Scholar will suggest articles under your name. Select the correct ones or manually add your research papers. Finally, toggle Make Profile Public and click Save. Your Google Scholar profile is now ready. That's it. Now you have a professional Google Scholar profile. Want to add your research articles to your Google Scholar profile? Let's walk through the simple steps. Under the Articles section, click Add Articles. Google Scholar will suggest articles linked to your name. Select the ones that belong to you, then click the tick mark to confirm. If an article isn't listed, click Add Articles manually. Enter details like title, authors, and journal. Hit the tick mark to save. That's it. Your profile now reflects your work. Keep it updated to showcase your research. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.